Hey guys, so I was like researching these things about the Canon R50 that is overheating a lot, and this is something I found out and I hope it's going to be helpful. So the first thing is that it's a completely different scenario. If you're recording at 4K and the high frame rates comparing to lower ones, is that what I would try to do is that if you're gonna have, let's say, to test it out when you would be like in the sun and you're gonna record it on not 4K by lower, but then you're gonna have it on 4K, like what are the actually differences in there, because it's just like maybe the 4K is just like too much pressure for Canon. Another thing that I've also read here is that some people reported to get a Ninja V for actually like helping and solving the issue, so you won't get so much overheat because it's just like taking some power. And this is like the thing that you can also try to do, and if you can also get it. So yeah, this is something that I found out, but other than that I didn't really find much solution. And also is that when you have, let's say that you have breaks between recordings, you can completely turn it off so it's going to cool down, and don't have even in the back on the sun, and maybe this is going to help you. So have a great day and goodbye.